Hello viewers, I am Mr. Dilip Kumar Pal, stand before you with the topic Advantages and Disadvantages of Federalism. It is found in +3 second semester core paper number 4, which is comparative governments. But before I discuss, I want to inform my viewers that you may be of +2 or +3 level. Any video you want, just write my name Dilip Kumar Pal and the name of the topic in Google or YouTube. You will get bilingual videos. And so far as +2 level is concerned, political science videos of +2 first year and +2 second year are found. And so far as +3 section is concerned, political science honors videos of +3 second semester, core paper number 3 and 4 are found, which are on the basis of National Education Policy 2020. Then political science honors videos and ethics and values videos are found from +3 third semester to 6th semester. And environmental studies videos of +3 first semester is found in this channel. Let us start. Advantages and disadvantages of federalism. What are the advantages and disadvantages of federalism? Federalism is a system of government. It has following advantages and disadvantages. Federalism or federal state or federal form of government is a system of government. And this government has many advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of federalism. Number 1, a better understanding. The first advantage of federalism is better understanding. In federalism, there is a better understanding between central government and state governments. So, central government solves problems of the country, while state government solve problems of regional level. The first advantage of federal form of government is that in federalism or federal form of government, there is better understanding between central government and state governments. Central government will solve problems of the country and state governments will solve problems of regional level. Then the second advantage of federalism is separation of power. There is separation of power between central government and state government. So they function in their own spheres. Another advantage of federalism is that in federalism there is separation of power between central government and state governments. So as there is separation of power between central government and state government, these governments, central government and state government, function in their own sphere. Then the third advantage of federalism is people feel more involved. In federalism, as governments are found in various levels, the involvement of people are more. Another advantage of federalism is that as in federalism, different governments are found, like government in the national level, government in the state level. So more and more people are involved in the political process. Then the fourth advantage of federalism is fosters state loyalties. Another advantage of federalism is it fosters state loyalties. How? In federalism, people living in different states are loyal to their states. So when powers are given to different states, people show more loyalty to their states. Another advantage of federalism is that in federalism, people show more loyalty to the state, because in federalism, people live in different states. So as people live in different states, they are loyal to their state. So when powers are given to states, people show more loyalty to their states. Then the fifth advantage of federalism is practices pragmatism. It is a practical government. How? In large state, federalism is very practical government, because as many governments are found, problems of national and local governments are solved easily. Another advantage of federalism is that it is a practical government. In large states, under federalism, many governments are found. So as many governments are found, problems of different levels are solved. So it is a practical government. 6. Creates laboratories of democracy. In federalism, different state government experiment different policies. Other states learn from failures and success of this policy. So federalism, another advantage of federalism is that it is described as a laboratories of democracy, because in federal region many state governments are found, and these state government experiment different policies, and the success and failures of these policies are found. So other states learn from the success and failures of these state governments. Then another advantage of federalism is leads to political stability. In federalism, political stability is maintained due to division of powers, intergovernmental cooperation, and the protection of regional autonomy. Another advantage of federalism is that in federalism, political stability is maintained. There is political stability because in federalism there is division of power between central government and state government. Again, there is intergovernmental cooperation. Governments cooperate with others, and there is also protection of regional autonomy. So, due to division of power, intergovernmental cooperation, and the protection of regional autonomy, federalism leads to political stability. Another merit of federalism is encourages pluralism. It encourages pluralism. How? Federal system expand government in national, state, and local level, giving people more access to leaders and opportunities to get involved in their government. So another merit of federalism is it encourages pluralism. Means due to federalism, governments are found in different level, national level, state level. So people are more involved in political process. They are more close to political leaders. So by this, people, different groups are benefited. Then another merit of federalism is prevents tyranny. As in the federalism there is division of power between national and state government, tyranny is prevented. In federalism there is division of power. As there is division of power, tyranny is prevented. So these are the 9 advantages of federalism. Now we'll discuss disadvantages of federalism. Conflict of authority. As in the country, many governments are found, sometimes conflicts are found among them. The first disadvantage of federalism is that there is conflict of authority. As in the federal government, different governments are found, sometimes conflicts are found among them. Another disadvantages of federalism is regionalism over patriotism. In federalism, there is more regionalism than patriotism. How? In federalism, conflicts are found among various regions over their regional interest. It takes away their patriotic feelings. Another disadvantage of federalism is that in federalism, conflicts are found among various regions over the regional interest. It takes away their patriotic feelings. So there will be regionalism over patriotism. Another disadvantages of federalism is lack of accountability. As responsibility is shared among government, if there will be any problem, no government will be accountable. There is lack of accountability. In federalism, as many governments are found, they share the responsibility. So when there will be any problem, no government takes responsibility on him, because responsibility is shared. When problem will come, no government will be accountable. Then fourth, prevent the creation of a regional policy. Prevent the creation of a national policy. In federalism, as many governments are found, it is very difficult to create a national policy. In federalism, as many governments are found, it is very difficult to create a national policy. Fifth, compromise is not good. As many governments are found, sometimes this government compromise with one another on some issues. It is not good. According to some critics, in federalism, many governments are found, and these governments compromise with one another on various issues. According to critics, it is compromise of government with one another on many issues is not good. 6. Failure of policies. Overlap of boundaries of national and state governments lead to failure of policy. Another disadvantage of federalism is that in federalism, as many governments are found, sometimes overlapping of powers among these governments are found. This overlapping of powers lead to failure of policy. Finally, citizens' ignorance. Federal system can only be possible in an educated country. It will not be possible where people are illiterate. So, another disadvantages of federalism is citizens' ignorance. It means federalism is such a government which can only be possible in a country where people are literates. It will not be possible in a country where people are illiterate. So, it is not an universal government. It will not be applicable in a country where citizens are ignorant. So, in this video, we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of federalism. So, I request my viewers to subscribe the channel for your benefit and aware of your friends, those who are in +2 and +3 about this channel. So, some students will be benefited. To help others is a symptom of a human being. Thank you. Have a good day.